Now here is a question based on the examination point of view. Okay, so we have to find a matrix X and it is given that a square minus 5a plus 4 identity matrix plus x is equal to 0 and a is for 3 by 3, it is for the addition, so it means all will be for the same order. Okay, so now for solving this part, let's solve first a square. Okay, now let's find a square. Now what is a? A is 201. Now a square is equal to a with a and this is equal to 201, 213, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, with 201, 213, 1 minus 1, 0. Now first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Now 2 with 2, 0 with 2 and 1 with 1. Okay, so now we are having 4 plus 0 plus 1, then 0 plus 0 minus 1 and then 2 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, now second row, second column. Now we are having 4 plus 2 plus 3, then 0 plus 1 minus 3 and then we are having 2 plus 3 plus 0. Then 1 with 2, minus 1 with 2 and 1. So 2 minus 2, 0. 2, then minus 2 and 0. Then we are having 2 minus 2 and 0, then 0 minus 1 plus 0, 0 minus 1 and again 0 and it is 1 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 3 plus 0. Okay. Now after adding we get it. It is 5 minus 1, 2. Then we are having 9 minus 2, 5. And then we are having 0 minus 1 and minus 2. 0 minus 1 minus 2. So this is a square. Now let's move for the question. Now we are having 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2, minus 5 with now a 201, 213, 1 minus 1, 0. Then plus 4 with the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so now it becomes 5 minus 10 plus 4, 5 minus 10 plus 4, then we are having minus 1, 5 with this one, then minus 1 with minus 0 plus 0, then 2 minus 5 plus 0. Then we are having 9 minus 10, 9 with minus 10 with plus 0, then minus 2 minus 5 plus 4, then we are having 5 minus 15 plus 0. Last 0 minus 5 plus 0, then we are having minus 1 plus minus with minus plus 5 and minus 0 plus 5 and 0, and then finally minus 2 with 0 with 4. Okay, so now this is equal to 5 plus 4, 9 minus 10 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. Then 9 minus 10 minus 1 minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 and 5 minus 15 plus 0 minus 10. Then we are having minus 5, 4 and 2. Okay, so this we are getting as a answer for the equation part. Now we have to find x. Now it is a square minus 5a plus 4 identity matrix plus x is equal to 0, x is equal to negative of a square minus 5a plus 4 with identity matrix, x is equal to minus 1. Now a square minus 5a plus 4i. Okay, so we are having minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3, minus 10 and minus 5, 4 and 2. Okay, so this is now x. Now finally we are having final answer is x is equal to 113, 113, 1310 and 5 minus 4 minus 2. This is our answer. Okay, so like this we have to solve the whole question.